welcome back to our channel Excel Magic Minute. So today's video is practical one. We're going to tackle something we all deal with at some point, converting Excel files to PDF. It's a game changer for anyone who works with a spreadsheet. So stick around as we walk through the step in a super straightforward way. Before we dive in, make sure hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so will never have miss out our videos, our helpful contents. So let's get it started. The first easiest way is the just going to the save a copy and just save is at a PDF. The easiest way, just save it and it's saved. It's done. This is the first easiest way. Now it's open. It's in a PDF format. Easy to see, easy to print. Yeah. And another method is we have one good website which is no registration needed, authenticating online to PDF. You just search it. This file, this website, it doesn't need any registration, any no payment, no registration. So freely we can select any files and we can convert it into PDF. Just select one, just like open this book to file and convert it into whatever you want, like PDF, Word, whatever you want. Easiest way to convert it. And this website is really good. It doesn't need any kind of registration, no kind of any payment option. You just save it here. Save. After converting this, you can check the file, which was in the Excel format. Now it's in a PDF format. How good it is. So that is the best website. And these both are the very good ways. Either you can make the PDF while you are making that file in Excel. From there only you can convert, and you can save there. And another one is converting that file into PDF by using online to PDF software, website. So thank you for watching this video. uh, do subscribe, Mike. Thank you.